I think we're making it out. Beautiful.
I can't do this.
What? What?
I can't do this.
Why?
냉혹한 현실주의자였던 레너드, 그리고 그의 아내이자 잡지에 칼럼을 기고하는 작가 제인. 그 둘은 어렸을 적 불같은 사랑을 하며 제인의 임신으로 결혼에 성공하게 되었지만 이내 유산을 하게 되자 이후 둘의 관계는 점점 소홀해지게 되는데, 그러던 어느 날 레너드의 초청 공연으로 그녀는 여행을 겸해 남편과 함께 이탈리아로 떠나게 되죠. 그렇게 도착한 이탈리아. 이번 여행을 통해 소원해진 관계가 개선될까 조심스럽게 기대하는데
Shit.
What?
Can't find my wallet.
That bastard at the train station stole it when you dropped all your stuff.
이내 지갑을 도난당한 사실을 알게 되고 여행 첫날 그렇게 실망감을 떠안으며 숙소에 도착하게 되죠.
Nice.
그리고 함께한 저녁 식사. 둘 사이에는 어색하지 않는 침묵이 이어지고 잠자리에 오르는데
Why do you think he killed himself?
관심 있는 작가로 대화를 시도하는 여자.
You can't get a sense by his writing?
I really don't know.
Most people think life is too short, and there he was, all the talent in the world, and it wasn't
Jane,
enough.
can we not talk about this?
이내 무관심한 남편을 보게 되자 실망한 듯 잠을 청하게 되고
Love you.
Love you too.
감정 없는 사랑 표현과 함께 그 둘은 관계를 갖게 되죠. 다음 날 공연 준비로 집을 나서는 레너드.
You sure you won't come with?
I would be so busy. Then I think I might go out, see what the world has to offer.
I'll see you later.
Have a good day.
홀로 남은 그녀는 글 쓰는 데 도움이 될까 과거 할머니의 이야기를 담은 테이프를 들으며 집을 나서는데
Testing, testing. Do you have any stories for my book?
Go ahead and ask from your father's list. God rest his soul.
Let's start with the war.
She was shaking. Sirens wailed and that nearly finished my mother, you know.
그녀는 이국적인 주변 환경에 이끌리게 되고 주변 관광지로 여행을 결심하죠.
We were riding our bikes to school when the Germans started firing at us. We jumped into a hedge. We were terrified, but afterwards we couldn't stop laughing. It's as vivid to me as if it happened yesterday. Those friends are all dead now. There's no one left. That's one of my regrets, you know. Sometimes I think I should have had more children, not just your father. You're all alone now that your parents are gone.
그렇지만 이내 길을 헤매게 되고
Scusi? Scusi? The castle?
어려 보이는 한 남자에게 도움을 요청하는데
Grazie.
And there were all these bomb holes filled with water, and he couldn't tell which was.
그녀에게 관심을 보이는 케일럽.
I'm actually going there now. To the castle. Vacation?
Oh.
Are you?
My husband is working in Naples.
What does he do?
He is playing in a concert at the end of the month.
Cool.
귀찮다는 듯 무관심을 표하지만
How do you keep your violin from getting stolen? You put it in a viola case.
부단히도 호감을 사려 노력하고
Why is a viola solo like premature ejaculation? Because even though you know it's coming, there's nothing you can do about it.
You look too young to be married. Are you newlywed?
No.
No.
Love teaches me to feed on flames and tears, turn withered hope green through desire.
Who is that?
Vittoria Colonna.
Let's hear it then. In Italian. Let's hear the poem.
Con seca speme rinvedia la voglia.
I'm impressed.
You hungry?
Why, are you gonna take me out?
Yeah.
All right then.
마침내 그에게 관심을 보이는 제인. 함께 저녁 식사를 하며 대화를 이어나가게 되죠.
So you're really not going to tell me what you do?
I'm writing a book about my grandmother's experiences in rural England. I recorded her for hours and hours. You want to listen? A little? All tangled up.
Awful as it was, it made you stronger. It was nothing like... It really brought people together, the war. We had to laugh, we had to smile. Now shut that thing off, would you? Get it out of my face.
That is like, it's like a window in time.
My husband thinks I'm never going to finish it.
You shouldn't care what anyone thinks.
남편과는 다르게 사소한 이야기에도 귀 기울이며 관심을 가져주는 그에게 점점 마음을 열게 되고 남들에게는 쉽게 꺼내지 못한 자신의 속내까지 털어놓는데
I got pregnant, so we got married. I lost the baby. I didn't go back after that to the States.
Did you ever hear that story about the red string? It says that anyone you're destined to meet, like your soulmate or your family or, you know, someone you bump into on the street, we're all connected by this red string. Tangled or stretched, but it can never be broken.
I don't know if it's that interesting.
That's the whole point, isn't it? Keeping it interesting for yourself.
이때
What do you mean? What?
Grab my hand.
Wait,
What?
Go, go,
Oh
go.
my god. Oh my gosh.
영문도 모른 채 달아나는 여자. 결국 공짜밥을 먹는 데 성공하지만 사실 이 모든 것은 케일럽이 꾸민 일로 무례해 보였던 제인을 한껏 들뜨게 만들고자 계획했던 것이었죠. 자신보다 어린 남자의 장난기에서 새삼 젊음을 다시 느끼게 되고 금세 가까워지는데
You're gonna have to give me your number.
때를 놓치지 않고 작업을 거는 남자.
No.
그렇지만 이를 거절하고
I've gotta go.
평소와는 다른 들뜬 모습으로 집에 돌아오는데
You're awake.
No, I've got so much of this stuff to get through.
언제나 그렇듯 자신보다는 항상 일이 우선이었던 레너드. 당연하듯 일상이 되어버린 그의 모습에서 서운함을 느끼기보다 무덤덤하게 행동하며 그렇게 또 하루를 보내게 되죠. 다음날 남편과 점심을 먹으러 집을 나서는 제인.
My friends had lots of American boyfriends, and they used to bring us nylon stockings and chocolates and all sorts of things. I never had an American boyfriend. I liked some of them. They were nice boys, but I wish I had sometimes.
You know when you were 19 and the world just felt so open?
짧은 시간이었지만 케일럽과 함께한 시간을 남편에게 들려주는데
You reminded me of that.
내심 아내의 모습에서 질투심을 느낀 레너드.
It was just fun.
이때
Okay.
우연히 그와 다시 마주하게 되고
Oh my god. This is Caleb. Sit, please, sit down. Join us.
아무렇지 않듯 자연스럽게 합석을 하게 되는데
I'm actually going to get back pretty soon.
That's okay. I already ate, so I'll just grab a coffee or something.
내심 그의 등장에 못마땅한 레너드.
Can I have the check, please? Jane, you don't smoke.
Yes, I do.
그동안 자신이 몰랐던 아내의 모습까지 보게 되자 당황을 하게 되고
Why don't you tell Leonard one of your viola jokes? What is the definition of perfect pitch? When you throw a viola into the dumpster without hitting the rim. You can pretty much make that joke about any instrument.
그들의 화기애애한 모습에 불편함과 어색함을 느끼며 서둘러 자리를 나서는데
Does anybody have a pen? You got a pen?
Yeah, I have a pen.
I have a piece of paper.
자신 앞에서 자연스러운 스킨십과 함께 연락처를 남기는 케일럽. 그리고 이를 허용하는 아내.
Thank you.
그렇게 그들은 헤어지게 되며
I'm fine from here. See you after work.
서로가 각자의 길로 돌아서는데 이때 그녀를 뒤쫓고 있었던 남자.
God, you scared me.
그는 자신의 마음을 간접적으로 표현하는데
I couldn't sleep last night. I came looking for you.
그렇게 분위기는 점점 무르익어가고
What are we doing?
I think we're making out.
갈등하는 듯 생각에 잠기는 여자. 결국 욕구를 참지 못하고 그를 받아들이지만
I can't do this.
What? What?
I can't do this.
Why?
이내 이성을 찾게 되고
Do you do this a lot?
What?
Do you seduce women? Is this what you do?
그를 경멸하듯 응시하며
Don't fool me.
서둘러 자리를 뜨게 되죠. 갑자기 몰려오는 자신의 어리석음과 무절제한 모습에서 혼란함을 느끼기도 하지만 한편으론 혹시나 하는 마음에서 남자가 남긴 주소를 옮겨줬고 아무 일도 없다는 듯 남편을 기다리는데
There was one boy from Belgium. He was lovely. He had a moustache. My mother hated moustaches. But he was shipped off. Anyways, I met your grandfather not long after and we got married. Love at first sight. Stop that thing.
그를 보자 죄책감이 드는 것일까?
How early?
마음을 다잡으려 하는 것일까? 평소와는 다른 모습으로 그를 반기지만
I did deserve that.
Can I just met my husband?
Jane, I'm sorry. Just give me a minute. A hell of a rest of my day. There's so much stuff to do.
아내를 외면하는 레너드.
Hey, do you still want to do something fun tonight?
Yeah, absolutely. I've got some dinner. We're just staying here. Let's go work this thing out before tomorrow. Okay. I'm sorry.
다만 사랑받는 자신의 모습을 보고 싶었을 뿐인데 오히려 자신의 초라함만 느끼게 되고 그날 저녁 부부 관계를 통해 권태기를 극복하려 용기를 내어보지만
Do you have any fantasies?
Just as you are, Jane. Just as you are. You're all I need.
여전히 무관심한 남편에게서 진짜로 실망을 하게 되고 다음 날
Oh. Hi.
그녀를 반기는 남자. 그 둘은 함께 즐거운 시간을 보냈는데 함께하는 시간이 길어질수록 그에게서 친근함을 느끼게 되고 어린 남자의 패기와 순수함에서 자신의 젊은 시절 자아를 보게 되며 남편의 외면으로 무료했던 일상생활에 활력을 되찾게 되는데 마침내 그 둘은 서로 사랑을 하며 그렇게 뜨거웠던 하룻밤을 함께 지새우게 되죠.
Again and again and again, again and again and again. Once I was single, my pocket did jingle. I wish I was single again. Once I was single, my pocket did jingle. I wish I was single again.
다음 날 집에 돌아온 제인.
I didn't sleep at all last night. Where have you been?
남편에게 마지막 손을 내밀지만
We need to talk, Leonard.
I have to go to work.
Leonard.
Jane, whatever you have to say to me, I want to hear it. I've committed myself.
여전히 일이 우선이었던 그는 또다시 그녀를 내버려둔 채 집을 나서게 되죠. 그렇게 시간이 지나고
If it wasn't the war, it would have been something else. There's always something else, isn't there? That's the thing. That's the thing about struggle.
You go out like that again, just tell me. I worry.
마침내 그동안 참아왔던 속내를 먼저 꺼내놓는데
Do you think everything we've been through actually does us any good? Or do we just make out struggle to be something meaningful because that's all most of us have?
대답을 회피하는 남편.
Tell you, next time we come to Italy, to get a proper kitchen.
결국 그에게서 느끼는 공허함을 케일럿과 함께 채워나가기 시작하는데
Sometimes I worry I'm not honoring her.
아슬아슬 외줄 타듯 남편과는 형식적인 관계만 유지한 채 그에게 더욱 빠져들게 되죠.
In the harvest time, we all went to the field where they were cutting the corn. Everyone was chasing rabbits, and then we had our tea in the harvest fields. They used to be gorgeous. There was one, Duke, every night when he finished working. They were lovely days, really. But not for you.
Jane,
You know, it's different for you. In some ways, it's easier. You haven't got the war. People don't die as much as they did back then. You've got to make your own life. One that you love, and you can't be afraid of the time. Time is shiftable. There are moments in my life that I would trade 60 years to have back again. You'll know the truth when you find it. It'll come to you like something you've known before rather than something you're learning for the first time.
I met these backpackers last night, Frank. They're going to Tibet. And I'm going with them. I want you to come with me.
마침내 함께 떠날 것을 제안하는 남자.
Hi. I think I've figured out the key to finishing the project. Are you listening?
여자는 결심이라도 한 듯 먼저 칼을 뽑아드는데요.
Have you ever cheated on me?
Can we not?
예상이라도 한 듯 또다시 화제를 돌리며
Absolutely not.
Why did you take such a long time to answer that?
Because I'm sick.
I hate talking about sex with you.
Is that what we're talking
Normal
about?
people talk about sex, Leonard.
Why? Is there anything you want to tell me?
I just want to connect.
What are you trying to do,
I
Jane?
just want to know that there's a reason for it all. You're not curious about me, Leonard. Not really.
I feel as if you want me to be someone I'm not.
I'm leaving you. I've been seeing someone else.
마침내 그녀는 불륜 사실을 털어놓게 되죠.
Child, that kid you've known for 2 days.
It's been longer than that.
Please tell me you're joking.
Time is shiftable.
I don't get it.
Leonard. He's asked me to travel with him.
Are you sleeping with him?
인정하고 싶지 않았던 현실에 맞닥뜨리자 분노하는 레너드.
I kept waiting for you to see it, to smell it, to sense it!
So what? I failed your test?
You don't see me!
I'm sorry.
For what?
I shouldn't have done that.
No.
Losing my temper.
You
I
had
shouldn't have
every
done that.
right
No,
to lose your temper.
No. If you should go with him.
You don't love me anymore, Leonard. You don't love me.
Rubbish. This is your ticket. The day after my performance, meet me at the train station. I want you to do what you need to do, and then come back to me. No questions asked, no guilt.
그는 더 이상 아내와 다투는 것을 포기하고 그녀에게 선택권을 넘기며 자리를 회피하죠. 다음 날 크나큰 대가를 치른 연주회는 그렇게 시작되고 케일럽 침실에서 눈을 뜬 제인. 마지막까지 그녀를 설득하는데
We're thinking of driving through Romania, then Ukraine, then down through Russia, through.
한편 약속된 장소에서 아내를 기다리는 레너드. 마침내 그녀가 모습을 보이는데요.
Jade! You've got to come over to this side. Train's going to be here in a minute.
그렇지만 이 순간을 마지막으로 남편을 떠나며 이렇게 영화는 끝이 납니다. 재미있게 보셨다면 좋아요와 구독 그리고 알람 설정 부탁드리며 모두들 즐거운 하루 보내세요. 감사합니다.
I wouldn't want to live to be 100.
Why not?
I'm not telling you why not. Now shut that thing off.